Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can take a break from Facebook. But before I proceed with my today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Log into your Facebook from any browser and go from your topmost right hand side. Go to settings and privacy, following by settings. Now go to your Facebook information. Scroll down until you find deactivation and deletion. Click on view. You have two options, either to deactivate or delete your account. Deactivate is temporary, whereas delete is permanent. Click on continue to account deactivation. Re-enter your password and click on continue. State a reason for leaving. Once the reason has been stated, scroll down and click on deactivate. Click on deactivate once again. And that's how you can take break from Facebook. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.